dey go, my own dey go video call o, because my data dey on. Look at it. This small one now, this one she'll be putting it on her bed. Whenever she want to carry the baby hand, maybe lie down on her own bed, they will carry this small one and put on the bed. This thing dey inside there is just to use it and round the mouth of the small bed. This is one, this is two, this one is the big one, that standing one like that, your own. So this is it. This one is ash color, very fine. This is how it is. See it. It has setting. So it has setting that they can set it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This as it is now is on level number 5. So they can set it to 1, to 2, to 3, so that it can be higher. It can as well be lower. Okay, come now. See the baby pump here, the breast pump for phone. So that's that. Hello, senior. How you dey? I just dey say make I do the video show you. The thing fine. See am. I wan send am now.
Okay, see am.
What kind of condition is
Make me see my child. See my baby. Hey, child.
See am. You don't dey laugh. How do you feel?
perfect? I feel great.
You feel good. Pararararararam. Hey y'all, good morning. So you guys, let's pack for baby, for our new baby. Let's pack for baby Blossom. Let's pack for baby Nobel, okay? So these ones are actually new clothes that I bought. I have plenty clothes to pack, and I'm using this big bag. I would have packed these clothes. I would have sent these clothes in, so. But there were other things, you know.
Only they are not going to say.
Kemsy wanted, you know, to send along with this one, but yeah. So these are the new ones. I'm using this big bag because they're plenty. All of Beverly's, Brady's, Brian, come on. So here are overall. These are just overall.
Allow me to sweep this place.
These ones are overall. Let me pack them. So let's do transfer of ownership. People should go. Bernice, don't be making noise inside my video. Go away now.
Come on, sit.
This one's at top and skirt and trousers. They are so plenty. Like, see this bag. I just needed to arrange them, to fold them. Bernice, what is it? What's it saying? Right, yeah. Oh my goodness. I can remember this clothes. I can remember this beautiful clothes. That Beverly wore it, Bernice wore it. So we're taking we're going with this one, and this one was for Bernice. This one was for Beverly.
Let me show you. That is for my clothes. That is for.
And this bag is big. But then, since I have full clothes inside.
Mommy, let me show you. And I was the baby. And I was reading.
This one's at top,
I was reading your
pants and skirt.
Mommy, when I was a baby,
When you were a baby, what did you know? When I was a baby. When I was a baby. So now come.
I go. I almost done.
This one.
Let them give Benny this one, remove that blue one.
This one, this thing has slack. I think that's all. The bag is full, and I'm going to be going to the park to send it right away, right about now. Hey, when I no come to say, if I get smaller bag.
It's only that bag.
I don't have smaller bag. Maybe I could just
Go. Mommy, I scared you. I did. Go. Baby.
what I need like this first. The bag is too big now. If I carry it like that, it will be looking and see. Is that his shoe? Check whether
my fish style. Check in the
that's
dining.
removed, but
Dining. Dining.
move away from my camera now. Okay.
Don't carry for the shine this guy.
Make see my child, see my baby. Hey, child.